In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your MT4 chart settings. Whether you're new to MetaTrader 4 or looking to customize your charts for better visualization, it's essential to know how to tweak these settings. Let's dive in and make your charts look and function just the way you want them. First, let's begin by opening MetaTrader 4. Once the platform is up and running, navigate to the chart you want to customize. Now, to access the settings, right-click anywhere on your chart. This action will bring up a context menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Properties. By clicking on Properties, you're opening a new window that holds a variety of customization options. In the Properties window, you have the flexibility to modify different aspects of your chart. Start by adjusting the colors for various components. For instance, you can change the chart's background and foreground colors, which refer to the dates and numbers. Additionally, you can customize the colors of the price bars, affecting both the ups and downs. Selecting colors that offer a good contrast can improve visibility and make chart analysis easier. Next, consider modifying the other settings according to your preferences. You can switch between different chart types, such as line, candlestick, and bar charts. Each type offers a unique perspective, so choose the one that aligns with your trading style and comfort. Furthermore, options like the grid and period separators can be turned on or off. These elements are useful for structuring the chart, but if you prefer a cleaner, less cluttered view, you might opt to disable them. After tailoring your chart to your liking, make sure you click OK to apply all these settings. This step ensures that all your adjustments take effect on the current chart display. Once you're satisfied with the appearance and functionality of your chart, it's a smart move to save these settings as a template. To do this, right-click on your chart again to access the context menu. Select Templates and click on Save Template. Give your customized chart a name that reflects its theme, such as Dark Theme or My Template. This way, you'll be able to easily identify and apply it in the future. To apply your saved template to another chart, simply right-click on the new chart, go to Templates, and click Load Template. Select from the options you've saved. For convenience, if you want every new chart you open to use your preferred settings automatically, save your template as default. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your MT4 chart settings, making your trading experience more tailored and efficient. Happy trading!